Hi everyone! Welcome back to the CaseGuard Studio training course. In today's video, we will cover PDF redaction through Find and Redact List search. CaseGuard Studio allows users to build a list of information they would like redacted from their document files. You can build a list once and run it on as many files as you would like. There is no limit. Let me show you. I'm going to create a project and add a document file to my project. Once your file is added into CaseGuard, pin your Analytics panel. At the bottom of the Analytics panel, you will see a list of tools. Click on the Find and Redact List icon. You have the option to build a list, use an existing list, or manage your lists. I'm going to create a new list. First, let's give our list a name. I will call mine email and social security number. Click Next. From here, you have two options. The first is to create a list by adding items one by one. The second is to import a list using a CSV or TXT file. The import list option can be very useful if your organization has already built a list of names, phone numbers, or any other set of phrases or PII. You can use the import list option to redact your files. I'm going to create a list manually. Now it's time to add information to my list. I can search for an exact word I would like to find, such as someone's name, or I can search for a pattern, such as someone's email address. I'm going to start by adding patterns to my list. We have a built-in list of patterns inside of CaseGuard Studio, but if you want to add your own, you can use the plus sign to the right of the drop-down menu and click Add New. Let's add our first item. I want to select email addresses. I'm going to select a different redaction reason and pick a color for my redaction. Click Save and Add New. Next, I want to add phone numbers. I'm going to add a redaction reason, select my redaction color, click Save and Add New. I'm going to keep adding these in and selecting redaction reasons and different colors to use. Now, let's add some words we want to redact from the file. I'm going to add the word her, as I want all pronouns redacted from my file. I'm also going to select whole words only, so that words like hero are not partially redacted. Add a redaction reason, select your color, save and add new. Similarly, I'm going to put the word she, whole words only, we can leave the color black, select my redaction reason, save and add new. Now, let me add in a name, such as Mika. Select a redaction reason, click Save and Add New. Once you build your list, you can run it on your files. I'm going to select Analyze. My Analytics panel shows 113 pieces of information were found in this file. I can redact everything by clicking the paintbrush icon at the top of my Analytics panel. In just one click, we were able to redact 113 pieces of information from this file. Now, let's export. It looks great. All of the information behind the redaction boxes is completely gone. The numbers you see on top of the boxes are the redaction reasons we selected. Let me show you how this file would look like inside of Adobe. Hovering over any of your redaction boxes shows us the reason this information was redacted. We can also see a list on the right-hand side. You can use the list you built to run on your files in bulk. Click on the Bulk Processing button at the top of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select Redact Document. I only added 3 files to my bulk processing operation, but please note that there is no limit. You can add in as many files as you would like. In the Redact Document settings, I'm going to select Perform Text Analysis. And from the Analytics list, I'm going to select the Find and Redact list that we just created. Click Apply. Now, I have the option to export my files after the redaction is applied. I'm going to check this checkbox. We're ready to run bulk redaction using our list. Click Start. It's all done. Let's take a look at our redacted files. It looks great. That's all I have for you today. In the next video, I will cover AI document analysis, CaseGuard Studio's automatic document redaction tool. See you soon!